So in this question, we have an uncharged metal sphere. Uncharged metal sphere means the net, there are positive and negative charges, but it is having equal number of positive and negative charges. So initially, like if there was no charged rod, then what will be the distribution? There will be a positive ions, because it's a metal sphere. Metal consists of a lattice of positive ion, and the delocalized electrons or free electrons will be there, and they are distributed evenly. But what will happen if you bring a positive charge rod? So if you bring a positive charge rod, electrons are negative, so they are attracted towards the positive. So electrons will move towards the right hand side. As these electrons shifted or moved towards the right hand side, so as a result, majority of the electrons will be on the right and most of the positive charge on the left. So there will be negative charge here, net negative, and net overall it is neutral, but the distribution of the charge will be there, one side positive, one side negative. And remember one thing, that electron are the particles, the negative charges are the one which can move. Why positive ions cannot move? Because there is a regular arrangement of the positive ions. They can only vibrate, but they cannot move within the structure. So when we check the options, so as we bring a negative charge, a positive charge rod, so we'll observe the electrons will shift or negative charge will move towards the right. So it appeared that the positive on the left. So how do the charge in the sphere move, and what is now the charge on the sphere? So what is the charge on the sphere now? Sphere is neutral. Why? Because if originally there were equal number of positive and negative, still after the distribution there will be total does not change. If there was an earthing wire or a conducting base that allow the charge to flow, then only it will get either a net positive or negative. But in this case, as there is non-conducting base or insulating base is there, it does not allow the charge to flow. So the negative charge move towards the right hand side, but the sphere will remain overall neutral. But if this was the same question and they ask, so the correct answer for this one is B. But example, what if it was the same question and we connect an earthing wire? So in that case, what will happen? The positive charge, like first there will be a distribution of the charge, positive and negative. Then we connect an earthing wire. So as a result, when we connect an earthing wire, the electrons will enter, the majority of the electron will be here. So in that case, it will be overall net charge will be negative. But in this question, as they did not mention there's an earthing wire or a conducting base, that's why it won't change.